launched for the 2006 model year, the Mazda CX-9 has soldiered on relatively unchanged until now. The facelifts that Mazda rolled out in 2010 and 2013 brought only minor changes that included new front grille, updated headlamps, and restyled bumpers. In 2008, Mazda ditched the 3.5-liter V6 in favor of a 3.7-liter unit, but the larger engine, the only survivor of the brand's partnership with Ford, has remained unchanged to this day. All told, the current CX-9 is long in the tooth and is long overdue for an overhaul. Fortunately, the much-needed redesign has arrived at the 2015 Los Angeles Auto Show and will hit dealerships for the 2017 model year. Previewed by the Mazda Kouru concept, the second-generation CX-9 received the company's Kodo design language and a high-quality interior with premium materials. The engine under the SUV's long hood is also new. Horsepower is down compared to the previous model, but the new Skyactiv unit pumps significantly more torque to the wheels and returns better fuel economy. Mazda says that the new CX-9 represents a capstone for the new generation of Mazda cars and crossovers in the high-end model, indicating what is to come. We'll find out whether that's true or not in the second quarter of 2016, when the SUV is scheduled to hit dealerships. U.S. sales will commence this spring. In the meantime, be sure to check the review below for all the important details about the new CX-9. Although I wasn't expecting it to be as aggressive looking as the Kouru concept, I was happy to discover that the production CX-9 borrowed quite a few features from the study and that it's not just a bloated CX-5. Still recognizable as a Mazda, the CX-9 stands out when compared to its smaller siblings by means of a larger front grille and slender headlamps. Still recognizable as a Mazda, the CX-9 stands out when compared to its smaller siblings by means of a larger front grille and slender headlamps. The latter are quite similar to the Kouru concept as far as shape and size go, but the light clusters are more production-friendly. Outside the reshaped grille and headlamps, the CX-9 also sports an entirely different bumper. The redesigned exterior is backed by an impressive cabin that feels far more expansive than what you might expect from Mazda. Although it still features the familiar aluminum dashboard insert or the freestanding screen seen in the Mazda 6, the CX-9's cabin has plenty of unique styling cues to brag about. Finally, the CX-9 can be ordered with bespoke Bose premium audio system with 12 speakers. The system was specifically tuned to the SUV's interior and features silk tweeter covers.